enjoying this session.
Oh, that's
So
so
I
nice
want
of
to
you.
so I just want to talk for 10 minutes more with you. I
Oh, nice of you.
okay. I'll take yours 10 minutes more.
Sure.
So we can.
Hey, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon, Sarita. How are you?
I'm doing good, Preeti. So Preeti, though I know you, could you please tell me something about yourself?
Basically, I did MBA in 2010, and after that, I worked as a counselor. And after getting 6 years of experience, when I got married or having a baby girl, then I left my job. And right now, I'm a at-home mother, and right now I'm working on so many things because I want to do something. So I have some future plans. So this is the short story about of me, which I already shared with you.
Okay, that's great. So what bring you here at this platform? Why do you want to learn English?
If I talk about English just on a language, but if we talk about the future prospects, if we talk about the education and the career or future prospects, because word is uh, yeah, because we are in the era of because we are living in the era of internet, or you can say globalization. To communicate with the whole world, English is very important. Right now at this point, I can't say ki English is just a language. It's a medium of expressing ourselves to other people who don't know your language or who can't understand your language. So basically, I just want to learn English to improve my personality, as well as if I want to do something in future. For that, English is very important. If we talk about our kids education point of view, uh, at that point English is also very important. So being a parent or being a professional, I can say that English is very important to express ourselves, or obviously to get a success in future.
Yes. Well said, Preeti. So, do we proceed with any topic, or we should continue our conversation in general terms?
We can choose a topic so that we can explore
Great.
in deep in that particular area.
Right. So, would you like to talk on festivals? How's the topic?
Of course, you can say that this is the topic on which every Indian want to talk about.
Yes,
Okay,
exactly. Right.
you can say this is the topic of happiness. No,
True. So, what is your favorite festival?
my favorite festival, of course, Diwali. Most of Indians like it, so I'm among I'm among them. So I also like Diwali very much because it is the color of light. It is the color of happiness. This is the festival where people share happiness, their thoughts, their feelings. So I love Diwali.
So, how do you celebrate your Diwali festival?
See, I can't say that I celebrate Diwali in Ekta Kapoor serial style.
Okay.
I celebrate Diwali in very normal way. Um, as I want to told you because my hometown is very far from here where right now I'm living it. I'm in some kind of Delhi NCR area, and my family is proper in Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Raebareli, if you know. So my way of celebrating Diwali is that we are going to we used to go our hometowns, and we carry so much gifts to our family members, for father, mother, sisters, and for father-in-law and sister-in-law, their kids. And apart from that, on the day of Diwali, of course, people lit lots of diyas and candles. So we are also doing that. And apart from that, this is the day when people used to make so many dishes.
Yes.
You can say ki सबके अंदर का शेफ जाग जाता है ना.
Exactly.
So I also do this kind of things on the day of Diwali. So the main purpose of festival is that ki you should be with your friends, with your family, and with your loved ones.
Yes.
So my idea of celebrating Diwali is that ki you should be with family, no,
Right.
and enjoy some quality time, enjoy some meal time. So this is the idea of celebrating Diwali.
Yes.
Rangoli.
Yes.
Yes.
And if we talk about our childhood, festival were some of the things which we eagerly waited for. Like children are the person in the home, children are the people in the home who makes every festival the brightened one, isn't it?
Yes, actually, children are the people who make the festival more interesting.
Yes.
And more, you can say, joyful, because they are very excited. ये दिवाली आने वाली है, दिवाली आने वाली है. Lots of sweets will be
distributed among them. and the main thing, the new clothes.
Yeah, they are very excited.
Home, yes. Everyone at the home will be wearing the new clothes, the new attire, and they will be getting the sweets.
No. Yes, I agree with you. And apart from that, they are very, very excited about the crackers.
True.
You forget about the crackers. Exactly. Actually, the crackers is the thing for which children are very excited. They know Diwali. I can say here, I want to add something. Ki, they know Diwali not for the like our tradition point of view, or but they know the Diwali just because ki patake jalane hai. They know the Diwali for yes.
For crackers, exactly. You are 100% right. But nowadays, as the crackers time is getting over, people are not preferring to. Yes. So, what is your point of opinion on that?
See, my opinion is ki
we can burst some crackers here as well, because if we talk about the political situation, when any politician wins wins the vote bank or anything, they do burst so many crackers out there. But then why on Diwali we cannot burst a little bit of crackers? I think little bit of crackers we should burst on Diwali.
No, yes. Christians basically busting crackers on Christmas and New Year, on movie promotions. Celebrity are doing the same thing. So why can't we celebrate our festival with the lots of fun? Because it's not about the political point of view. It's not about the environment. It's just a one day. It's just a one day. Okay, so we can celebrate Diwali with our fullest happiness. Okay, so it's not. So I just want to add ki if we talk about ki Diwali, if we talk about ki the crackers should be banned or should be like something, if some other thing. So I just want to add ki it's a one day, so we should celebrate the Diwali with our fullest happiness, and children should allow busted the crackers.
Yes. Yeah, we should be a little bit careful. Not little bit. We should be careful while children bust these kind of crackers. But we can, yes. But there should be something bursting the crackers. I think so, because Diwali brings lots of happiness. So that happiness should come from inside. That there are so many lights, there are so many crackers, people in new clothes meeting with each other, hugging each other. So these are the things that should be there.
And worshipping the goddess Lakshmi and Ganesha to bring more or can say health and wealth to our home and happiness. So it's just a one day. So if we are busting crackers in a day, so I don't think there should be a problem.
Yes, yes. For me as well. For me as. So, what is your favorite sweet?
Actually, frankly speaking, Sarita, I love sweets. So for me, nothing is favorite or less
Okay.
favorite. I like each and every
Very
sweet
sweet.
very much.
Okay, that's
Whether it is a rasgulla, rajbhog, peda, laddu, I love each and every sweet.
very nice. Very nice. That's so nice of you. Actually, I like rasgulla. I always prefer that black gulab jamun. I always
Uh,
prefer that.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Because
Okay.
I want to add one thing. Uh, for if we talk about the sweets, so I don't wait for Diwali or Holi.
Okay. Yes.
Whenever I want to, and whenever I want to, I had it.
That's great. That's great. Okay. So, coming back to another festival, Holi. This is
Yes, this
also
is
one
the
of the greatest fully celebrated festival in our country. So, what's your opinion on Holi?
so see. If we talk about the Holi, I'll explain in word line. This is the festival of colors. Okay, the best part of our festival is that they are very you can say they are very much able to taught us something. They are related to our history. If we talk about the Diwali is the day when Lord Rama came to Ayodhya after defeating Ravan. Okay, okay. And if we talk about the Holi is the festival with the same cause, where you can say ki what was the name? I forgetting.
Prahlad was the name
Prahlad.
of boy,
Okay.
and Holika
Uh,
was her bua,
her
aunt.
bua, aunt. Okay. So this is the also a festival where you can say ki evil defeated and what the opposite of evil? Truth wins. Yes. Okay. So these festival taught us something. So if we celebrating festivals, whether it is Holi or Diwali, we should learn something. You know?
Right.
Yes. So what is your opinion on Diwali? Sorry, Diwali.
Holi.
We discussed about Diwali. Now it's the time
Holi.
for Holi.
Yes,
What
yes.
is your opinion on Holi?
See, as you said, that Holi is the festival of colors and water. So yeah, I
Uh-huh.
do love celebrating Diwali with the family and with the friends. So whenever it's Diwali,
Hmm.
it's Holi time, I always prefer to be with the friends and family so that we can play, especially with
Hmm.
the children in the home. Because
Hmm.
whenever we are with the children, it's any festival, it's Holi, it's Diwali. The happiness is double, triple, or I can say it's fourth time. So yes, I love playing with water actually, like not colors. I don't like coloring the face and everything because it,
No,
it
no,
becomes it
that
becomes
was
very
hard
difficult.
colors.
Yes, it becomes very
Yes,
difficult to take out those colors after Holi and going
yes.
there, because then our face color is yellow, red, and green. So I
Uh,
prefer to
even
play
after
with
even
water.
after 2 3 days,
Yeah,
even after
exactly.
2 3 days, it
Exactly.
still becomes red and green and
Yes.
whatever color.
Yes, yes. Even though we take so many precautions that we put on some cream or some oil, still it happens that
Moisturizer,
yes, exactly.
sunscreen.
But still there are some so hard colors, they just absorbed in the skin, and then it's very difficult to take them out. So I
Yes,
prefer to play with water. I like playing with water.
water and gulal. No,
Yes, yes,
water and
gulal.
gulal.
Yes, yes, gulal. Exactly. So these are the two
So
main festivals which are celebrated. Yes.
uh, actually, Holi kids likes Holi very much because they get the chance of becoming very messy, and no one here to
Stop them. No one is
stop
here
them
to
or
stop them. Yes.
call them. So they get the full chance of musty, or you can say getting messy. So children like it very much. Even I remember an incident with this last Holi.
Mhm.
My daughter plays a lot. She was not ready to coming back to home. I j- I tried fully. I tried hardly. I tried very hardly to convince her, and after convincing her for the time of half an hour or 1 hour, then she gets ready to
Came
come
to
back to
home.
home.
Exactly.
Came back to home, and she enjoys a lot.
Yes, yes, yes. So nowadays, the festival time is again approaching. Like we have Raksha Bandhan, then we have Janmashtami in this month. So, what are your preparation for those Janmashtami and Raksha Bandhan?
Okay, so frankly speaking, abhi, कि pandemic is still going on.
Yes.
So my plan is not so much larger. My plan is just ki on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, I'm planning to go back my hometown and celebrating these festival with my in-laws or my brother, sister, and yeah, I'll buy some gifts for them, and of course sweets. And after going back to home, I'll try some new recipes of I'll try some new recipes also. So this is the little plan I made for the Raksha Bandhan. And after as you said ki after that Janmashtami also nearby, matlab coming in, after Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami is also coming. So for Janmashtami, so on this day we usually fasting and celebrating the birth of Krishna. So this is the plan. Not I'm not planning bigger plan due to pandemic this time.
Okay, okay. So,
And so what is so what's your plan, Sarita?
see, if I'll talk about Raksha Bandhan, then as you said that we will be going to our hometown and celebrating the festival.
Yeah,
And
everyone is
yes,
the same
exactly.
plan.
Exactly. And okay, at Janmashtami, do you dress up your kid as Radha or something else?
I used to
Okay.
for last 2 3 years, but I'm not sure for this time
Okay.
because due to some reason. But it's not sure. Maybe I'll dress her with the costume of Krishna or Radha, but I'm not confirmed this time.
Okay.
Because if you want your kid to dress up like Radha or Krishna, then you had to go for the shopping also.
True.
Okay, so I'm avoiding shopping little bit due to this pandemic. So I can't say exactly what is going to happen on this day. But I'm fasting, I'm celebrating, I'm worshipping to God Krishna.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
Exactly, that should be. Actually, this is in our
Yeah.
tradition that whenever Janmashtami comes, so we make our kids as Krishna or Radha. It actually happens in every home, if I'm not wrong. Actually, yes, we people always keep their clothes ready for whatever the reason, their clothes are short or the kids have become the elder. We always try to fix them in those clothes, Radha or Krishna. Yes.
I used to do last. I actually, what are you saying? I already did in last
Okay.
year.
Yes.
Yeah. So if we talk about this year, I had to purchase a dress for her.
Okay. Okay. Now
Because
she has become grown up.
yes, taller. Yes, grown up child, or you can say taller.
Taller.
So this time I had to purchase a dress for her. So this is the reason ki I'm like taking back my step
Okay.
because I had to go shopping.
Yes.
But I can't say
Yeah,
what is going
it
to happen.
completely depends on our mood as well. If
Yes.
we will feel like to do something, then yes, we will be going to do that.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
So anything else, Preeti, you wanna talk about, or we should call it for the day?
We can actually I'm enjoying. Actually,
Oh.
I started enjoying this session.
Oh, that's
So
so
I
nice
want
of
to
you.
so I just want to talk for 10 minutes more with you.
Oh, nice of you.
Okay, I'll take your 10 minutes more.
Sure.
So we can discuss something else. You can discuss New Year. We also celebrating New
we
Year.
also celebrate New Year. So so tell me your way to celebrate New Year. Yes.
Actually, the thing I like about the New Year is that this is the time where is cold is at its at its par. And I love the winter season more than summer. I hate summer because in summer there are lots of sweating, and even I got very irritated at that summer.
True.
Okay. So I don't like summer, and I very like winters, because this is the season where we put some really good jackets
Yes.
and long coats and boots and sweater.
Yeah,
You
true.
know, it feels like we are the celebrities, you know. So
And
that's
one more
why
thing,
I like
one more thing I wanna add here. One more thing, that our makeup remain intact in winters.
very. I I am 200% agree with
Yes,
your
exactly.
opinion. Yes, our kajal is intact, same. Our lipstick or
Yes.
hairstyle,
Right.
and this is the opportunity where we can let open our hairs.
Yes.
Okay, but in summer you can't do this. Right now, you see yourself and see myself.
True. True. Exactly.
So I like winter very much, and that's why I love to celebrate New Year, because it's the awesome. This is the weather where we can celebrate with full enthusiasm. We put a lots of makeup. We can eat whatever we want.
True.
Whether it's spiciest food we can eat during the winter. So because I am a foodie, I like sweets, I like spicy food, I like snacks, I like junk foods. So I literally enjoy winter.
Okay. So one thing, you don't look so fatty. So how have you maintained yourself? Like you are so
Actually,
foodie. You eat sweets as much as
I'm
you
very
can.
foodie.
Yes. So what is the secret of your fitness?
See, first point is it's genetic. Why? Because my mother, my sister they are also not too fat, or you can say ki they are not too thin, they are fit. And the second is ki I my lifestyle is kind of active lifestyle. I don't have any maid. I do all the mopping, all the brooming, and all the you can say I do all the dishes myself. I don't have any maid, and apart from that, and the apart from that, and nahi. Apart from that, the reason of my active lifestyle is that uh, apart from that, the reason behind my active lifestyle is my 3.5-year-old daughter.
Daughter. Okay. Yes.
Yes. So
So she must make you run here and there, like whenever
yes,
you wanna eat, feed her, then you have to run behind her, that baby, please have
yes,
this bite or have this sip. So
yes,
this
yes,
can be one of the reason, right? Right.
yes. And there are 1 hour schedule for their for her park activities also. So whenever we go park, so we used to do lots of physical activity like walk, running. So these are little bit of exercise, or you can say active lifestyle I followed to maintain myself. But I'm not so much fit, because I have a little bit fat. I want to reduce it, but right now I'm not find enough time to work on that. But in the future, I'm planning to reduce my weight little bit, and I want to correct. You can say I want to correct my lifestyle also. So basically, I'm planning on that. And so, Sarita, what is your secret?
See,
How you maintain
no,
yourself?
I'm not so maintained. I'm not so maintained. I also have that fatty kind of body, but yeah, I try to maintain myself. I do walk a lot. I am little lazy if I talk about exercise. I don't prefer doing exercise at all. So I prefer walking. So this is the only thing I can say, that okay, walking is making me not fit, but yeah, it's okay.
It's okay. Yes,
Yes, exactly. So Preeti, I think now
Okay.
we should call it for the day because I have another meetings aligned. So
Okay.
I would love to talk to you again whenever I'll get chance. So thank you so much for
Of
giving me your
course,
precious
Sarita,
time.
of course, Sarita, this was nice talking to you, and I enjoyed a lot this session. And I'm hoping with you, I'll also able to improve my English communication. And so this is what I want to say. And it was really nice talking to you. Really, really, really.
Thank you so much, Preeti. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.